Becoming a chef without attending culinary school is possible, but it requires dedication and hard work. You can become a certified chef without attending culinary school by taking online courses, attending workshops, and gaining experience in the kitchen. With the right knowledge and skills, you can learn how to create delicious dishes with confidence. Additionally, you may be able to gain recognition from industry professionals by obtaining a certification from an accredited organization. With the proper guidance and resources, it is possible to become a successful chef without attending culinary school. To become a chef without attending culinary school, think about taking the following actions. 1. Take into account your love of eating. It's crucial to think about your passions and reasons for choosing a profession as a chef before making any decisions. Think back to the reasons you want to become a chef. You might also try to be daring and experimental in your cooking. A talented chef may work to push the frontiers of cuisine by creating fresh, cutting-edge dishes. If a cook is dedicated and passionate about what you do, with practice, discipline, and passion, you may be able to become chefs. 2. Improve your culinary abilities. While pursuing a career as a professional chef, it could be advantageous to acquire related skills and competencies. You have access to a variety of resources for skill development, including blogs, books, certification programs, and online training. To determine which type of training is most appropriate for your requirements, take into account the abilities you might need to attain your culinary career ambitions. 3. Take on a training program. A fantastic approach to obtain hands-on experience as a chef is to sign up for an apprenticeship at a nearby restaurant or kitchen. You could gain practical experience via an apprenticeship while also determining which specialties or fields of expertise are best for you. You might learn skills like decision-making, time management, budgeting, serving, and kitchen operations during your apprenticeship. 4. Choose a mentor. A mentor may be able to help you as an entry-level employee in the professional culinary industry to recognize and develop your abilities as a chef. An excellent alternative to culinary school may be working under the guidance of an experienced chef. The ideal mentor will not only support your skill development but may also present prospects for network building and career progression in the field. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this channel with your colleagues. See you in the next video. Greetings from the world of tourism.